Hey everybody, this is Lance with San Clemente Mobile Detail. Super excited today to show you how this BLUETTI Apex 300 can handle the mobile detail. I've been using it now for a month and it's about the only thing I've found that can run my whole detail rig. It's able to handle my pressure washer, air compressor, and vacuum. Super excited to show you how we do it today on this new F-150 that's been through the desert a few times, and we're gonna put this thing to the test.